Does this look familiar? A desktop that's a total mess of files, a camera roll with thousands of unorganized photos, and a to-do list spread across 5 different apps. It's stressful, it's a waste of your time, and it's a total buzzkill for your productivity and creativity. You've got this supercomputer in your pocket, but managing your digital life feels like a second job you never even applied for. Imagine your photo albums being intelligently curated after every trip, your meeting notes automatically transcribed and summarized, and your to-do lists practically writing themselves based on your texts and emails. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. That's the power of Apple Intelligence working inside your iCloud. It's a personal AI that actually understands you. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to build your own super smart iCloud headquarters. You can now proofread your text, and it's so much more than a spell check. It's perfect for quick budgets, project planning, or just making sense of chaos. You can draw a clumsy circle around your rough lamp sketch and, using Image Wand, Apple Intelligence can generate a photorealistic image of a lamp that fits the vibe. That's the baseline. The new intelligence layer goes so much deeper. The search bar basically speaks your language now. You can type things like, "Show me photos of Sarah wearing her red jacket in London last winter." By combining this powerful new search, the cleanup tool, and automated movies and albums, your Photos app goes from being a chaotic archive to a living, self-organizing library of your life's best moments. Trying to find one specific picture can be a total nightmare. Apple Intelligence wants to fix that for good. It's a tiny click for you, but it means the world to the channel. And with Apple Intelligence baked in, Shortcuts has become one of the most potent tools on your device. You could build a shortcut that takes an audio recording of a lecture, transcribes. It uses the AI to summarize it into bullet points. Run this after class, and your study notes are done for you. You can create shortcuts to summarize PDFs, draft emails, or even take a long, rambling voice note and have the AI organize it into a clean to-do list in reminders. For example, project management tools can use their own AI to generate project plans. Some calendar apps use AI to intelligently manage your schedule, finding the perfect time for tasks based on your habits, all while syncing with your main iCloud calendar. The final action is Save File, which you can set to automatically save to a specific Receipts 2025 folder in your iCloud Drive. When a request goes to the cloud, it goes to special, secure servers running on Apple chips. So, if a friend texts you their new address, you can just say, "Add this to their contact card." Instead of just blocking everything, it uses AI to figure out which notifications are actually important. By thoughtfully combining the AI features in Notes, Photos, and Shortcuts, you can transform your iCloud from a basic digital locker into a powerful, automated headquarters for your life. Then, we brought order to our memories with a self-organizing photo library. You get to go from being the frantic manager of your digital life to being the calm director with a powerful AI assistant working for you. We built a personal assistant with shortcuts to crush digital busy. And finally, we saw how it all clicks together to create a proactive system that actually understands you. It smooths out all the digital friction, shifting from a reactive tool you have to command to a proactive partner that helps you get through your day. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides on using tech to live a more productive and creative life. It's a system where your to-do list knows about a promise you made in a text message, and your calendar knows about a flight confirmation in your email. Drop your ideas in the comments below. Siri understands what this is and who there is, and just does it. And it uses this understanding to help you without ever sending that personal data to the cloud. You can ask Siri, "What time does my flight to San Francisco land?" Siri remembers the context to airport in SF and the hotel you have booked in your calendar and gives you the right answer. Your data is used only to complete your request and is then immediately deleted. Apple has even invited security experts to audit this. This is the moment our iCloud HQ stops being a collection of cool tools and becomes a single, proactive system that understands the context of your life. If you take a picture of a concert poster, your phone can recognize the event details and offer to create a calendar event, pre-filled with the date and time. If you get an email confirming a lunch meeting, a notification for that email might get prioritized in your inbox with a button to add it to your calendar. This means you get the power of cloud AI without the creepy feeling that your personal data is being used to train some corporate model. Your information never leaves your iPhone or Mac. This is essential for things like summarizing your private emails or analyzing your family photos. It's tedious to save, rename, and file all of them. So, let's automate it. But call on ChatGPT or a third-party app for that extra 10% when you need a specialist. Now, the app has a better understanding of natural language. But more importantly, your shortcuts can now directly tap into Apple's on-device. All those little points of friction saving a file, summarizing an article, creating a to-do item can now be automated away by spending a little time setting up shortcuts. You are literally building a personalized digital assistant that's perfectly tailored to your life. This means we can plug in other powerful AI models, like ChatGPT, and third-party apps, giving our iCloud HQ even more superpowers. This isn't just about saving time, it's about clearing out the mental clutter of digital admin, so you can focus on what actually matters. When you ask Siri a question or use the writing tools, if Apple Intelligence thinks another model could give a better answer, maybe for broad world knowledge, or a complex creative task, it will ask for your permission to ping ChatGPT. So, if you're in Notes planning a trip, you could highlight a 5-day itinerary for a history lover in Rome and send that straight to ChatGPT. The answer will pop right back into your note. Apple Intelligence will dig through your library, find the best photo. For the trigger, you'd choose when I take a screenshot. Now for the action, this is the magic. Then, you add a new Apple Intelligence action. You defeed the screenshot to the AI with a prompt like this. Is this a receipt? You can even use Image Playground to create brand new images from scratch just by describing them. Right inside your note, we've all taken that perfect shot, only to have it ruined by some random person in the background or a piece of trash on the ground. For instance, create a smart album that automatically collects every photo that has both your daughter and your dog in it. Now, every time you take a picture that fits, it automatically lands in that album. No more manual sorting. Ever. You can just circle what you want gone, and the AI will do its best to intelligently fill in the background, making it look like the object was never there. You can make it sound more professional for a work proposal, more friendly for an email, or even turn a boring list into a poem if that's your thing. With one tap, you can ask Apple Intelligence to summarize the whole thing. I've used this to turn hour-long project meetings into 5 perfect bullet points. For years, Notes has been that simple. Trusty app, but with Apple Intelligence, it's been upgraded into a command center for your information. This is our foundation. If we get this part right, everything else we build on top of it gets way more powerful. It becomes an active hub where your information gets processed, polished, and organized. This is about using Apple Intelligence the right way. By the end of this, you'll have a framework that turns your iPhone. 1. The foundation. Smart organization in Apple Notes. Now, you can just hit record right inside a note. Think about that for a second. No more frantic typing. You can actually focus on the conversation, knowing a full text record is being saved and Next up, the writing tools. These are available everywhere on your phone, but they really shine here in Notes, where ideas get started. Finally, there's Image Wand and Image Playground. Let's say you're sketching an idea for a room makeover in Notes. 2. Intelligent Photo Curation. The self-organizing visual library, one of the most useful new tools, is the cleanup feature. But where this really plugs into our iCloud HQ is with smart albums. This is way beyond just grouping photos by date. You can set up complex rules. You can create smart albums for work projects, for hobbies, for specific family members. Whatever matters to you, your photo library starts to organize itself. Hey, if you're finding this guide useful and you're getting excited about building your own AI-powered digital life, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. 3. Automated workflows with shortcuts. Your personal digital assistant, okay? This is where we level up from just using cool features to actually building an intelligent system. You'd open shortcuts and create a new personal automation. Here's another one for students or 4. Integrating external AI for superpowers. And a word on privacy, Apple Intelligence is incredibly powerful on its own. But Apple also made a very smart move. They opened the system up. Let's start with the direct ChatGPT integration. It's built right in. This brings us to the most important topic, privacy. This is Apple's biggest and when you do use an external tool like ChatGPT, Apple is crystal clear that you're choosing to share that one query, and it even obscures your IP address. By thoughtfully integrating these external tools, you can give your HQ specialized skills. 5. The intelligence layer. The proactive, context-aware system. Everything we've built so far, the organized notes, the smart photo library, the custom automations, it all comes together here. This is all powered by what Apple calls personal context. This system connects the dots between apps. So, there you have it. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky future. This is what's possible right now. We started by building a solid foundation in Notes, making it the brain of the operation. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide inspired you to really use the incredible technology you already own. And now, I've got a question for you. After watching this, what is the very first automation you're going to build in Shortcuts?